Do you suffer from chronic nasal congestion, snoring, or difficulty breathing through your nose? These issues can lead to poor sleep, daytime fatigue, headaches, and even cardiovascular problems. Fortunately, advanced surgical techniques like endoscopic sinus surgery or nasal septoplasty can restore proper airflow and improve your quality of life. If nasal obstruction affects your daily well-being, it's time to take action. Book your consultation today.